We used to roll at the rink. We used to roll at the rink. I used to talk way too much. You used to know everything.
Welcome to downtown Seattle. Kelly and I have made the trip downtown. We're about to go check out all of the most famous Seattle places. Pike Place, the original Starbucks coffee shop, the market. We're stoked. All of these people are waiting in line to go to the first Starbucks ever made. We're not gonna wait in line. Putting gum in my mouth because we're going to the gum wall. Look at all of this gum. Kelly is on a mission.
Oh my god, this pen is gone.
All right, I'm adding it right now. That was good gum too, dang. The Seattle downtown tour is done. We're gonna go get some lunch now because it's like 2 in the afternoon. We're starving. Can't believe I just explored Pike Place. That's like where all of my Keurig cups are from. Unreal. I just went there.
I'm getting the sawmill, which is a fried chicken, biscuits, and gravy.
Oh.
Because that's super healthy.
I'm getting the Auntie Annie's, which is fried chicken, pickles, and honey mustard. Also super healthy. For scale, this is my hand. It's pretty big. The
My
gravy.
face.
Wow. So now we are gonna go check out a waterfall called
Snoqualmie.
Snoqualmie. Never been there. Kelly, have you been there?
No.
I've obviously never been there. This is my first time in Washington. It's like 300 foot high. Also, for all the talk about it raining in Seattle, it really hasn't rained that much. Like, it looks dark right now, but there's just like little tiny raindrops every now and then, but it doesn't really rain like it does in Tennessee. So take that, Seattle haters.
We can have a party, just listening to music like we used.
Just got to Snoqualmie. Check it out. We just walked like, what do you say, like 20 yards from the car?
Yeah, 20 yards.
20 yards from the car. Are you kidding me? Okay, we're going down now. You gotta go down. We're gonna try to go down like really close to the waterfall, but we don't think it's allowed. So the plan is just to look both ways, hop the fence or whatever is there. I've been to a lot of waterfalls. You guys know because like every video has a waterfall in it. That was the coolest waterfall that I've ever seen. Snoqualmie? Snoqualmie. 10 out of 10. We're gonna go check out another waterfall that Kelly knows about, Franklin Falls. And this one you can get a little closer to, so very good day.
I'm disappointed in you all. I'm sorry. You were so great, and then you guys turned horrible and aren't following what you guys said that you were gonna do, and it makes me sad. I can't support you anymore. Gosh dang it. Is the trail like right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you. I was just telling Kelly that my literal worst fear is grizzly bears, and there are actually like 150 known grizzly bears in the state of Washington, and that sign has got me freaking out. We're just gonna be really loud. That is a fat trunk. We made it to the second waterfall. Okay, back in the car. Waterfalls were great. A little hungry, so naturally I'm gonna eat my organic bar because we are in Seattle, with my Fiji water because we are in Seattle. It's chilly here. Whoa! Are you okay?
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I will not put that in there.